Hello and welcome back to Eagles FX. This is another weekly forex analysis. And what we'll do here is to give you a top-down analysis on the pairs that we'll be trading this week. So starting from this week is on gold. So we are starting on a monthly time frame on a gold. So you can see a monthly time frame that gold is in a very strong bullish trend. You can see it after breaking this midway resistance level. Price went up to break this higher resistance level. After breaking it, price came back for a retest. After retest, what next? Continuational push to the upside. So now let's go down to weekly time frame for further look, because on a monthly time frame we have seen that the price is in a bullish trend. So on a weekly time frame, you can see that price has created another level. So let's mark this level. So this is a weekly time frame. This is weekly resistance level. Currently price has tested weekly resistance level. So after testing this weekly resistance level, price find a selling pressure that brought this market down to this zone. After this place, after this retest, what next? Price is moving up to this weekly resistance level. So let's go down to daily time frame to see how we can take advantage of this buy. So on a daily time frame, currently the price is at where? At a daily resistance level. Let me highlight it so that you see what I mean. Let me clone this level. We are currently at daily resistance level. By the way, if you have not joined our free telegram channel, we have a free telegram channel, and you have also joined our family on this YouTube. Kindly hit that subscription button so that you will know whenever I drop a new signal. So currently we are at a daily resistance level. That's where price is currently sitting at. Let me change this color. Fine. So on a gold, we are currently sitting at what? We are daily resistance level. So at a smart trader, what we need to do is to allow price to break above this zone. If price break above this resistance level, okay, touching this other block here, price has traded this fair value gap. If price touch this other block by breaking like this, allow to come back for a retest, then we'll buy to this weekly resistance level. So we have about 800 pips to the upside. So let's go down to 4-hour time frame where we'll be picking up these entries. So in a 4-hour time frame, so this is a 4-hour time frame. But if you look closely in a 4-hour time frame, we'll have various zones in this 4-hour time frame. Let me highlight this zone so that, because price might want to visit this zone, we'll have this level of resistance that has turned to support now. And you can see that price has come there a retest. Okay, let me change this. Let me change this color. You can see that price has come there for a retest. Previously, we have our 4-hour zone here. Okay, so all you need to do is just calm down, be patient enough, do not rush, because you can see in 4-hour time frame we are in an uptrend. You see it higher high, price came back for higher low, using this resistance and support level and pick up a buy momentum and create a new higher high. But currently this higher high is on a daily resistance level. So we expect this price to do what? Come back, which has done, it has tested this level. We expect it to do what? To break and close above here before we think of picking up another buy at this zone to our weekly resistance level. So this is how we'll be picking up these entries on gold. So next pair on the list is Euro card. So Euro card on a monthly time frame, let's put more details on it. So on a monthly time frame, you can see that price from this monthly resistance level, this is our monthly high resistance level, and this place is our monthly mid resistance level, and this place is our monthly support level. So from this monthly highest resistance level, price did what? Saw a sell pressure that brought price down to this zone. After this creating this lower low, what next? Price went and created a lower high, saw a selling pressure and dropped to this monthly support level. And price has moved up again, creating another lower high. And after creating another this lower high, what is happening currently is that price has seen another sell pressure you can see there's a monthly bearish engulf candle that is bringing this price down to this monthly support level. So in a monthly time frame, we are coming down. So the question is, how do we take these sales opportunities? So let's go down to weekly time frame for a further analysis. So this is the weekly time frame on a euro card. So in the weekly time frame, you can see previously price was in an uptrend, creating highs, higher low, higher high. So after creating this higher high, what next do happen? Price created a higher low here. After creating higher low, price want to push up, or could rather price breach this zone, creating a lower low. So after creating a lower low, price has gone up to create a lower high. And what next? Price will fall down to this zone. So I've seen that on a weekly time frame that we are moving in a bearish trend. So now let's go down to daily time frame to see how we can take this sales. All right. On a daily time frame, what you see in a daily time frame, price is in a downtrend. Let me explain to you. Pay attention. Initially, price, after making this contact on this weekly support level, price started moving up, creating this high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low, equal high. After creating equal high, what happened? Price created a lower low. After lower low, what next? A lower high, another lower low. So price is going off a lower high before pushing down to this zone. So in a daily time frame, we are what? Bearish. So the question is, how do we take this test? So let's go down to 4 hour time frame where we'll be picking up our entry. So this is a 4 hour time frame. There's a zone on this 4 hour time frame. Let me put this zone here. Let me put this zone. Let me clone this. Just pay attention. Let's clone this. If you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, use this opportunity and do what? Hit that subscription button and also click on the notification bell so that you'll be among the first set of people that will know whenever I drop a new content. This is how we do it because I drop free signals here every now and then. So this is our 4 hour zone where price is heading to now. So you can see in a 4 hour that price is in a bearish trend because price is creating lower high after bridging this place. Price created lower high. Price created lower low and created lower high. Price has created another lower low and it's going for a lower high. After lower high, what next? Price will do what? Fall down to this zone. So in a 4 hour time frame, this is where we'll be picking up our entries in a 4 hour time frame. Once price comes to this zone, we can then now move to 15 minutes time frame, look for change of character and do what? We execute our trade. So if you have not joined our free Telegram channel, kindly join our free Telegram channel because this particular trade on Eurocard, if once I see the entry, I will call it on our free Telegram channel. So next pair on the list is GBP So this is GBP on a monthly time frame. So on a monthly time frame, price was moving up, creating higher highs and higher lows. You can see it. You created this higher high, higher low. Okay. Created another higher high here, another higher low. But you couldn't create another higher high or equal high. Rather, price come to this zone and start seeing a selling pressure that is bringing price down to this higher low. So on a monthly time frame, we are coming down to this place before a continuational move to the upside. So let's go down to weekly time frame and see what price action is saying. So on a weekly time frame, let me remove this. Let me remove this so that you can see it. That was our initial entry. On a weekly time frame, you can see that the price action is very clear. After creating this double top, this is a double top on a weekly time frame, and chart pattern on a higher time frame is a reversal pattern. When you see it on a higher time frame, it's a reversal pattern. And you look at this candlestick that close here, you see that is a bearish engulf candle, signifying that what price is dropping down to this monthly support level. So on a weekly time frame, we have seen price action that suggests that price is coming down to where? To this monthly support level. So let's go down to daily time frame where we'll be looking for more entries. So GBP on a daily time frame, you can see that we are moving down. Not only we come to this zone where we created a daily support, a mini support level. You can see it, price came down to this place, created a this support level. Price is moving for a higher, lower high. After lower high, what next? Price will continue to fall down. So in a daily time frame, we have also noticed that price will fall down. And if you look at the price action that closed yesterday, you can see this candle that closed here yesterday. You can see that there's no momentum on this price action. So you will find that this price will definitely fall down. So let's go down to 4-hour time frame for further analysis. So on a 4-hour time frame, what are you seeing? So this is our daily support level. So what do you expect now to happen on this 4-hour time frame? Price could either come up here to see a what? A selling pressure, because we are in a downward pressure. So if price come down to this zone, we pick up a sell. There are two ways we can take this sell. If price come to this zone, pick up a sell and sell to our weekly support level. Then the second way we can take up this sell on GBP JPY is to allow price to break this daily support level. Because price at support level, that's why you see this hesitant happening here. Price was kind of consolidating here. Once you see a selling pressure now, price will break this zone. So if price break this zone like this, allow it for a retest before we do what? Pick up our sell to where our weekly support level. But overall, it's our monthly support level. So this is how we'll be taking our sales on GBP JPY. So next pair on our list is Euro JPY. So this Euro JPY, currently we are on a sell on this trade. I call this sell when this price was at this zone. Those of you in my free Telegram channel have enjoyed this, and those of you in our VIP group are still enjoying this. So I call this at 164, 157. I call this here, including Euro USD. Go and check my previous videos where I drop all those signals. So currently on this pair, we have bargained over how many pips? Currently, we have bargained over 444 pips on Euro JPY. But you can see that price is kind of in a support zone. That's why I see price is not moving to break this zone. So let's remove this and do the proper analysis. Let me remove all this so that we can take advantage of this opportunity, because more shares are coming on this Euro JPY where we're picking up our third shares. We have entered the first shares, the second shares. Okay, let me show you in our free Telegram channel where we put up the shares. So this is it. Euro JPY, I can see it where I put up my first entry. You can see it here, first entry on Euro JPY. You can see the first entry 164 150, the second entry 163 750, and currently we have another entry here on the bigger account around 162 500 zone. We have another entry on the, this is a smaller account. Let me see if I can see it, that one. Let me check if I can see it. Okay, here is it. I think yes, this is Euro JPY. This is the big account. This is our first entry on the big account, and this is our second entry on the big account. So this we are still holding this trade. So let's go down to our analysis chart. Let's go down to our chart so that we put up our analysis. So Euro JPY, still on Euro JPY. Euro JPY on a monthly time frame. Let me remove some of this because it's clustering these zones. Let me remove. Just hold on a bit. If you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly use the opportunity and subscribe to our YouTube channel, because this is one family. This is where we drop our signals every now and then. We have our VIP group for special people, those who have paid us to teach them specially. So if you need such thing, we are at your service. You can also join us. So this is our Euro JPY on a monthly time frame. So let me leave this chart. It's a bit clearer now. So on a monthly time frame, what happened on a monthly time frame is that price has pushed up to this zone, higher high, higher low, another higher high, and another higher low. Price went to push off a higher equal higher or higher high, but it couldn't. Rather, when price come to this zone, it formed a kind of head and shoulder pattern here. This is the head. This is left shoulder, and this is right shoulder. And you can see there was a monthly bearish engulf candle, signifying that this price will definitely drop to this monthly support level. That's why you are seeing all this price action happening here. So in a month, it suggests that we are moving down. Okay, we are moving down to where at least this zone in a monthly time frame, because this has given up a head and shoulder pattern on a monthly time frame. So now let's move it down to weekly time frame for further look. So on a weekly time frame, you can see that when price come to this zone, this is our weekly resistance zone. When price come to this zone, first attempt, price fall. Then on a second attempt, you can see that price use a bearish engulf candle. When you see this type of candlestick formation on a resistance level, it signifies that price will drop. So having said this, price will definitely drop from this zone to this zone. So weekly time frame, we are going down. So let's go down to daily time frame for further analysis. So this is a daily time frame. What do you see in a daily time frame? You can see that in a daily time frame, price is at daily support level. Let me show you. Let me highlight it. All right, that is it. So price is currently at this zone, daily support level, trying to see if you can break it. Okay. So if price break it clearly on this daily support level, we can look for more sales. You can do what? Look for more sales opportunity. If price eventually break it this way, we wait for a retest and we'll pick up sales and to this zone. Okay. So on a daily time frame, we are moving down because look, if pay attention. Now look at this candlestick. Look at this green candlestick. Price on retesting this daily support level, price went back to create a lower high. After creating a lower high here, price has come down here. And yesterday, being Friday, this green candle went and retest this zone. This, you can see this green candle, it has retested this other block. Definitely, price will fall down to this zone. So let's go down to 4-hour time frame for further look. So on a 4-hour time frame, so we can say put up another zone here. Let me put up another zone. Let me clone this. So this is 4-hour time frame. There's fair value gap here that price has not come to retest. So price might come back to this fair value gap. So I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. So if this price come back to this fair value gap, we'll look for entries on 15 minutes. You know our pattern. Change of character in 15 minutes. We'll pick up our sales and drop it to these zones. Okay. But if price didn't come back there, we'll do what? We'll wait patiently. So there are two ways. We'll wait patiently for price to do what? We'll break, we'll retest, we'll do what? We'll sell. Sorry. Break and retest, we'll do what? We'll sell. So let me put it so that we see it. Let me put it so that we see it. Break, retest, and sell. That's our first way of doing this. We short. If price break this zone, we'll do what? We'll sell. Okay. Then if this one, if you don't see it this way, expect it another form. There are many ways to kill a rat. Just calm down. Price may see a buying pressure from this zone and come back to this zone. So let me put it here. Price come down to this zone. We also look for a change of character in 15 minutes. We do what? We sell. All our interest on this pair is doing what? Sell, 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 because the price is doing what? Moving down. The price is bearish, both on a higher time frame. So these are possible ways we can pick up our entries on this pair, Euro JPY. So next pair on the list is USD JPY. Let's go to USD JPY and see what is happening there. So USD JPY on a monthly time frame, let's put more analysis to this. So price was moving up, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and price want to create at least equal high, but currently price is kind of doing hesitation to move up to this zone. So let's go to a weekly time frame to see the reason why this price come to this zone and started hesitating. Next on this page, next is weekly time frame. Let's go down to weekly time frame to see how price is reacting on that zone. So on a weekly, now if you look closely on the weekly, price was moving up, and when it come to this zone, it started ranging. Price was moving up this way, created this high, created this higher low, and price has come up here and started ranging. Started ranging. Why is this ranging? Let me show you. If you pay close attention, you can see there's a fair value gap here. There's a fair value gap here. So immediately price come in contact with this fair value gap. Price start doing what? Price start dropping on this fair value gap. And now look closely that last week we are now seeing a bearish engulf candle. So you can find that this price will come back to weekly support level. You see this bearish engulf candle, find that this price will do what? Definitely come back to this yellow zone. So on a weekly time frame, we are moving down to this yellow zone. So let's go down to daily time frame for further look. All right, this is daily time frame. So on a daily time frame, there's no more price action happening here. Rather, you can see that the buyers are becoming exhausted. Okay, because they push up, but you can see within past few days, price was kind of in a range here. Not until it came and break below this range, signifying that this thing will drop to this zone. Because if you check from this zone, price was ranging, and currently price has broken out of range. After breaking out of range, price is going back for a retest before a continuational push to this yellow zone. So let's go to 4-hour time frame where we're picking up our entries. So on a 4-hour time frame, you can see that initially price was in a bullish trend, higher high, higher low, higher high, okay, higher low. But currently price has breached this place. Since price closed below this zone, you can see this place, this higher low, price has closed below it, signifying there's a change of character, okay, and price has created a new low, signifying that 4-hour time frame we are downward trend. So what do you expect now on 4-hour time frame is for a retest to any of these institutional reference points here, and we pick up our sell to where? To this zone. So let me highlight those institutional reference points so that when price comes there, you can pick up your sell. So number one is fair value gap. We are getting fair value gap here at a premium. You see this fair value gap, price might come back here to see a sell pressure. There's another tiny one here. All these zones are where price might come before dropping down. There's another one here. All these things are inside our premium zone. And there's lastly the other block. Here, other block, here, other block. We have other block here. We have other block, correct. So once price come here, we'll go move down to where 15 minutes time frame and look for what change of character. Once you see change of character, we'll do what? We pick our sell. And once we do pick this sell, we are holding it to this yellow zone. That's where this price is coming. We are holding to this yellow zone. So let me see you guys in the comment section. You have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Put on your notification bell so that you know whenever I drop a new content. Kindly share my video to your friends. There are people that need this video. And you have not joined our free Telegram channel where we drop our free signals. Kindly do yourself a favor.